how to make Discord use less RAM on your Android. This tutorial shows you how to optimize Discord and reduce memory usage on your Android device. First, launch the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps to view all applications. Following that, find and tap on Discord in the app list. Now, tap on Storage to access storage options. Moving forward, tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Afterwards, this will help Discord run more efficiently. In addition to that, open the Discord app on your device. Once Discord opens, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Subsequently, scroll down and tap on App Settings. Moreover, look for Video and Voice Settings. Afterwards, tap on Voice and Video to access Quality Settings. Then, scroll down and disable Hardware Acceleration if available. Within this section, also reduce video quality settings to save resources. Alternatively, disable autoplay GIFs and videos in chat. Once that's done, go back to App Settings. Then, tap on Notifications and disable unnecessary notification types. Afterwards, disable background activity for Discord in Android settings. Then, go to Settings, tap on Apps, select Discord, and tap on Battery. Moreover, select Restricted to limit background resource usage. Afterwards, also disable Auto Start for Discord at boot. Then restart your Android device to apply all changes. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you make Discord use less RAM on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android optimization tips, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.